amazing.
Wow.
Interesting.
Okay.
Very nice. The best.
Okay.
Peaceful. Spectacular.
Okay.
Really interesting.
So I really had fun in the web designing sessions in the summer camp. I got to know about how to make my own website and how to use HTML.
Website designing because I love to experiment with color.
For me was when I finally and successfully created my first. You put some code and you on the website you can click the link and open another tab. That is the wow moment for me.
The wow moment for me in web designing class was that to put the teacher, my favorite teacher's photo in my website.
How to put backgrounds, how to change the name sense.
Part of the thing where you have like these three options where you can read more about. I learned many things like how to use the text and all the form.
It was very nice.